a sport, and in a sport only one of them win. This is not studies where all of you can get 90%. If let's say everyone have prepared well, still one of them is going to win and the other is going to be sad, and then there's a blame, and there's going to be a blame on the coach also. You must be thinking that you are working hard, but again, it's about, are you working hard than the rest of them? All of you are working hard, I do understand, but are you working harder and smarter than your competitor? That's a big question that you kids need to ask. You know, you're very lucky that it's not just a couple of people that are here to actually promote you, advise you on. Nowadays, lot of people have knowledge. You can see lot of Indonesians are there, lot of ex-players are coming as coaches and trying to guide you. So there's lot of knowledge. It's for you to decide how much of knowledge you want, rather than just seeing random videos. You can just see lot more badminton related videos. And like I was just saying, this is a vast subject. It's not a 100-meter sprint where you start and you end. It's not like that. There are multiple complications that you need to understand. So the more you go deeper, the more you will realize that you know only little. So I would tell all the kids that try to be a little more passionate. I would say not just passionate, be mad about the sport, and I strongly believe you will not regret, because wherever you are tomorrow, you will enjoy and you will learn something from the sport which will help you later stages of your life. And also I'll just tell the parents that be very positive towards your kid, because regularly they will be playing matches, and if they win today, they'll play tomorrow. If they win tomorrow, they'll play day after. District, state, national, international. And I'm pretty sure that it's not going to be an up graph. They are going to have a lot of ups and downs. So throughout this process, you have to be madly positive with them. Just keep on telling that you are the one, you can do it, you are the one, you are the next big thing. And I'm not saying every one of you or every kid will become a champion, but that's the only thing that you can do. At the end of the day, if he or she is not making it, still say it's fine, you have tried your best, but be very, very positive towards your kid. Okay, and once again, thank you for calling me, and congrats to all the kids, and for people who have lost, don't give hope, don't lose hope, just keep working, and hopefully someday you'll also win. Thank you.